Yeah, as you see, it's a mess, everything. It's this is what I'm up to. So this is gonna be a short update. So I am leaving London for Windsor. So everything is now being packed into boxes. And yeah, it's been a slow start of the year. So I want to thank Pete for sending me this. So after I got back, I got a nice package with some coffee. So thanks Pete for sending me the coffee. And yeah, so I'm planning to do some updates, a few updates maybe before I leave, but it's been a slow start because I had so much to do with packing and personal projects. And once I'm in Windsor, I will have a more dedicated space. So this one is a guest room that I'm hanging out in now here in London. So I'm sharing it with when people is coming, I have to be on my side. But it's gonna be a dedicated room. It's gonna be a little smaller, but it's gonna be a cozy little studio gonna set up in the new place. So yeah, I'm scripting some new stuff. It's gonna be new live streams coming after the move, and I'm also gonna have a much better internet speed, so that will probably affect the quality of my live streams as well. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to move, but it's also a lot of pain to pack everything and all my stuff accumulated and computer gadgets and everything that needs to be protected in the move. So yeah, it's a short and sweet little update from me here at Meshmen Studio. And yeah, see you on the channel, and thanks for your continued support. We'll soon hitting 1,000 subscribers. And I think a year ago I had like 15 or something. So yeah, thanks for hanging out, and it's gonna come a lot of things in the future your way. So yeah, see you, and yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.